Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving control over your domain and getting admin access to DNS. Once done, pick the certificate type, DV for basic encryption, OV or EV for identity assurance, because it affects validation steps. Next, choose a certificate authority or opt for Let's Encrypt to automate renewals. Make sure your server has SSH access and that you can create or upload keys. These are essential first steps, so you can generate a CSR and proceed without delays. You generate a private key and a CSR on the server using OpenSSL or your hosting tools. Choose RSA or EXA based on performance and compatibility. Then submit the CSR to the CA and select a validation method. DNS is reliable. HTTP is quick if you control the web route. Email works for registered contacts. Once you initiate validation, add the required DNS TXT record or upload the exact validation file. This proves ownership, so the CA can issue your certificate. You install the certificate and intermediate chain on your server, updating Nginx or Apache configs to reference the key and full chain. Once installed, test using SSL Labs, curl, and multiple browsers to confirm chain, protocols, and cipher suites. Enable HTTPS redirects and HSDS to enforce security. If something goes wrong, check common issues: mismatched host names, missing intermediate chain, or wrong file permissions. Automate renewal via Acme or a cron job, and revoke.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.